In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make some oatmeal, banana and blueberry pancakes. Let's get started. So we have the list of ingredients we'll be needing for this recipe on the screen, so you can pause the video to write them out. I'll also be listing them in the description box as well. So I am starting off with 1.5 cups of oatmeal, and we are adding that into our blender. Next, we'll be adding 1 egg into the mixture as well. After that, I'm adding 1 date, and I have soaked this date overnight, and this is my sweetener of choice. You can also use honey or sugar. I am also adding 1 overripe banana, and the thing with bananas is that the more ripe they are, the sweeter they are. So I'm using an overripe banana for this recipe. Then I am going ahead to add half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then I will be finishing it off with 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt for extra protein. Then I will add about 1/4 cup of water and blend this mixture. I'll be pulsing this intermittently and blend until the mixture is smooth and well combined. So after blending the mixture, I am going to transfer all of that content into a bowl, and then I will go ahead to add my chopped blueberries into the mixture. For extra flavor, I am adding a pinch of nutmeg and mixing that together. Now it's time for frying. First, I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil and spread that evenly on the pan, because that's the only oil I will use for this recipe. Then next, I am using an ice cream scoop to scoop that butter into the pan. And if you want the pancakes to be thick, then don't spread them evenly across the pan. But if you want them to be thin, then you can spread them across the pan. So I want mine thick, and I have just let them fry for about 5 minutes and turn until golden brown on both sides. And that's literally all there is to it. I went ahead to fry the rest of the pancakes, and our pancake is ready. I garnished this with some chopped bananas and blueberries, as well as maple syrup, and this was such a delicious breakfast to have. So let me know in the comment section if you would try this recipe, and it is so quick to make because all of it is done in the blender. So I would like to hear how it turns out for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.